everyone. In this tips and tricks video, I am going to show you a very simple trick in which you can simplify your if statements when dealing with collections. So I have already written few lines of code here, and I am having fruits collection which is holding multiple fruits, and then I'm having a variable fruit which is holding just one fruit. Now what I want to do is I want to check whether this fruit is part of this collection or not. So the simplest way or the traditional way to achieve this is to put the if condition like this, where we can say fruit equal to this or fruit equal to this. So basically we will be putting all the fruits in this particular if condition separated by or. Now how can we reduce this line of code? So let's have a look at it. Rather than writing such a lengthy code, what we can do, we can simply use if fruit is the variable which you are looking for, if fruit in, and then just provide the name of your collection, which is fruits. So if this condition holds true, then we will go and say print found the fruit. So let's go ahead and execute this. So you can see that the output got printed 2 times. It means both the things are giving the same results. So going forward, whenever you want to perform such operation, rather than going with such a lengthy line, you can just go with few words. I hope you enjoyed this short trick, and thanks for watching.